Welcome to Get Lost with Natalie Preddie. Have you ever left your favorite pair of jean shorts in a hotel room drawer, or perhaps your passport in the safe as you are on your way to the airport? No, me neither. Today, I'm going to show you how to unpack so when it's time to repack, you don't lose anything. Designate places around the hotel room. For instance, I like to bring a laundry bag, and as soon as I'm done with something, it goes into this bag. The laundry bag lives in the closet. Don't unpack what you don't need to unpack. This is when you want to use a hanging toiletry case, and when you're done, put everything right back in. Now, when it comes to your unmentionables, as you have used packing cubes, as we do, you should put them right into the drawer. That way you know exactly where everything is going to be and how to access it. And when you're done using it, you put it right into the laundry. Designate a shoe area. Somewhere like this is perfect because this is probably where I'm going to sit down to put my shoes on. Now, here's a good tip with the safe. Take one of the shoes that you will be wearing to the airport and put it inside your safe with your passport and all of your other valuables. That way, when you're heading to the airport, you'll notice you're missing a shoe and you'll go back and get it. So when it comes to electronic devices and charging, I like to have one charging station so there aren't chargers and cords scattered around the room. So I like to have one international charger right beside the bedside table, as this is where you're going to tend to find your tablets and phones at the end of the night. That's mostly where they're going to be. I also have my storage with my additional cords all zipped up and ready to go nearby. So when it's the end of the vacation and time to go home, this is when you're really going to benefit from the designated spaces you created at the beginning of your trip. So when it's time to pack, start by getting out your suitcase and creating a staging area. This is when you're going to want to visit all of the different homes you gave your things throughout your vacation. So here I have all of my electronics. Here I had my medications, sunglasses, and jewelry, all moved over to the staging area. Luckily, I didn't take anything out of my hanging toiletry kit, so everything here is easy to pack. And I take this over to the staging area. And don't forget all our dirty laundry. So you've checked all of your designated spaces. You've had a look around. If you're traveling with someone, they have also had a look around, and you are finally ready to go. Bon voyage. And then passports, shoe. Just realized I didn't have my shoe on. And passport, key. Get lost.